Wow, these YouTubers are making that much? Hey, what's up guys? Reggie P here. Hey, have you ever wondered how much money these YouTubers are making on YouTube? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you the top YouTubers that are making the most money. So stay tuned.
This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on.
Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to talk about the top YouTubers and how much money they make. But before I do that, I just wanted to say, if you are new to my channel, thank you for checking me out. Please subscribe to my channel because I make videos that will help you make money on the internet, help you make money on YouTube, and help you make money with apps. So subscribe today. I also give away free money sometimes. So subscribe today. And also like this video if you like what I'm talking about today. And drop a comment if you have a question about what I'm talking about today. Now, let's get into talking about YouTubers and how much money they make. But first, let me talk about ad revenue. Now, what is ad revenue? Ad revenue is the money that is distributed from Google or YouTube to the YouTuber. And they have to have ads on their video to get this type of revenue. And the only way you can have ads on your videos, if you've been under a rock and don't know how this works, is you got to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. So once you get that 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you become a YouTube partner, and then you can start making money by placing ads on your videos. Now, how you make this money when you place the ads on a video? Well, it's this thing called CPM. And what that means is click per thousand. So when you get 1,000 views, you get paid maybe $1, maybe $2, maybe $3 for every 1,000 views. Now, the reason why I said you might get 1, 2, 3, or whatever is because it depends on your niche. Now, for example, let's say your niche is pranks. So if you make videos pranking people or whatever in your prank videos, your CPM is going to be a little bit lower. The reason why, it's going to be probably 50 cents to $1. The reason why, because advertisers they're going to be hesitant to pay a lot of money to have their ads on your channel, because it's probably going to be a lot of young people, a lot of people in their teens watching the video, and face it, they're not making that much money right now. Now some are. I mean, nowadays you got a lot of smart teens that start making money, but from an advertising perspective, they feel like they're not gonna get that much traction or that much traffic to their ads if you're young, if you're in your teens. So their CPM for those videos, for the prank videos, is gonna be a little bit lower. Now, here's another example of if you getting $3 per thousand or more. Now, let's say that the niche is tech. Now, tech video is going to get maybe $3 or $5 or even $10 or even more per thousand. So let's say that is this tech channel and they have a video that got 14 million views. Now let's do the math. So 14 million divided by 1,000 times 3 equals $42,000. So this one video got $42,000 with 14 million views. So that's why if you start a YouTube channel, you might want to get in a tech field if you want to make the most money. Now, I mean, it's still good to make prank videos and whatnot. You just have to get really, really popular to start making a lot of money with those type of videos. So that's how that works. That's how YouTube pays their YouTubers, and that's how much money that YouTubers are making. Now, the other thing is, one last thing, if you start another niche that's in making money online like what I'm doing, your CPM could be from $10 to $30, depending on what you're talking about in the video. But making money online videos, the CPMs for their videos are a little bit higher than, let's say, even PewDiePie, which he does a little comedy and review memes online. So even though he has all these subscribers, like 94 to 95 million, still someone that has that's talking about online, making money online, their CPM is higher than his. His CPM might be $3 to $5. So I just wanted to discuss that and explain that to you. So what I'm going to do now is hop over here to my computer and show you what the top YouTubers are making on YouTube. So let's do that right now. The top 10 YouTubers by revenue. All right, number 10 is Logan Paul. He's making 14.5 million. Can you believe that? And he's the older brother of Jake Paul. All right, let's go to the next one. The next one is the man, the myth, PewDiePie. He's making 15.5 million. And you know, he has over 95 million subscribers. So this is the amount of money he's making. And number 8 is Jack Perspective Eye. I probably butchered his name, but he's making 16 million. And what he does, let's see what he does here. He's a video game streamer. So, and let's see, it doesn't say how many subscribers he have, but that's okay. All right, the next one is Vanos Gaming, and I'm guessing they're a company, probably more than one or two people, which 17 million, and it's just a channel run by a Canadian gamer, Evan Fong. Okay, so it's one person. So I guess that's what he calls his channel. So this guy, he's making 17 million. Number 6 is Markiplier. He's making 17.5 million. And he's a video game YouTuber. And he has over 23 million subscribers. Number 5 is Jeffree Star. He makes 18 million a year. And he's, let's see, he launched his channel. Oh, it's a makeup channel. I'm just learning all this myself too.
So he talks about makeup and makes that much money. That's something else. Number 4 is Dan TDM. He makes 18.5 million. And let's see, yeah, he's a video game streamer. So the video game streamer guys are really racking in the money. Number 3 is Do Perfect. They're making 20 million a year. And Do Perfect is a sports focused channel featuring hundreds of amazing tricks, shots, and stunts. So it's a 5-man group. All right. And we're getting close. Number 2 is Jake Paul, younger brother of Logan Paul. He's making more than his older brother. 21.5 million a year. Can you believe that? And so his channel, he releases it's like daily vlogs. He done some rap. I know he started off doing some Vine videos, so that's where he probably kind of started getting real popular. And he has over 2 billion views. Can you believe that? And he's only 21. All right, the number 1, you're not going to believe this. The number 1 is a 7-year-old kid. Ryan Toys Review. 22 million a year. So this kid, he's 7 years old, and he reviewed toys. And he has 18 million subscribers. So that's it. 7-year-old kid is the number 1 YouTuber for his revenue.
Now you just learned who are the top 10 YouTubers that are making the most revenue. And I was so shocked to see a kid at number 1 making $22 million a year. $22 million a year, 7 years old. I can't believe that. More power to you, kid. Hopefully one day when I grow up, I can be just like you. Anyway, if you watched this video to this point, thank you. I want to give you guys a free gift. But first I want to ask you this. Do you have an app idea but don't know how to get it made? Well, with 6 years of experience creating apps, I can show you how. This free ebook that I want to give away right now, which is called How to Make Money Creating Apps Without Coding. In this ebook, I show you step by step how you can create an app without any coding, and how to market an app, and how to make money from that app on a monthly basis. Basically, making money on autopilot. So, download that ebook right now, the link below. It's called How to Make Money Creating Apps Without Coding ebook. Download that right now. It's yours for free. All right, one more thing before I go. I need you guys to help me. Help me get to 1,000 subscribers. And what I'm going to do, once I get to 1,000 subscribers, I'm going to give away free money and an Amazon gift card. But first, before I get to 1,000, every time I hit a milestone, I'm going to give away money. So my next milestone is 300 subscribers. So once I get to 300 subscribers, I'm going to give away $20 or a $20 Amazon gift card. It's your choice. And how I'm going to do that is when you leave a comment, and I'm going to randomly pick that comment. If your comment get picked, I'm going to reward you with the money or Amazon gift card. Now, what I'm going to do is post this in the comment section, who won, and let you know how you can get your money or Amazon gift card. Now I'm not going to tell you what video I'm going to do this on. You're going to have to watch every video, comment every video, and like every video. And once I get to that 300 subscriber, I will go ahead and put it in the comment section. I will note that who won and give them my email address and have them to email me. So please help me get to 300 subscribers, which is my next milestone. All right, that's all I have for today. But you don't have to leave my channel now. After this video, you can just watch this video, which is called How to Make Money on YouTube Without Creating Any Videos. So go check out that video right now. So that's all I have. Before I go, make sure you get your grind on, because the grind is real.